How to update Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Click on search at the bottom right and then search for Instagram. If there is update available instead of open, you will find update, and if there is update available, click on update and then your Instagram will be updated. Another way you can do is open settings. Click on apps and notifications. Then click on see all apps and then click on Instagram. Then click on storage and cache. In storage and cache, click on clear cache and you're good to go. This is how to update Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.